What's up guys, my name is Billy the Builder and today I will be sharing a few tips and tricks on how to build Legos like a pro. Before we begin, please hit the like and subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you're the first person to see our videos. Are you all excited? Let's begin the journey. Woohoo! Tip number 1. Focus on color. If you're building a car or spaceship or an animal, using the right color makes your design look more professional. Tip number 2. Use both hands. While you're building a Lego, use both your hands while doing so. One hand to hold the base on which you're building and the second hand on the piece which you're adding. Tip number 3. Try out curves. To be a Lego pro, you'll need to master making curves. That's not easy because Lego bricks are mostly squares and rectangles. For example, look at the Lego Stormtrooper's helmet. It has so many curves on the side. If you want to see how we make the curves, go check out our other video, Speed Build of the Lego Stormtrooper's helmet. Link in the description. Tip number 4. Follow the instructions carefully. Whenever you get a Lego, you get a booklet with it. Always follow the instructions carefully or else you might make a mistake and your Lego would become something like this. Tip number 5. Keep things organized. To make things easier while you're building a Lego, always organize the pieces you get. It helps you to search for pieces faster. Sort them on the basis of their color or type. This is how Arif keeps his Lego pieces. That's it for today guys. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something new. Also, shout out to Adar Chakraborty for helping me create this video. Share your thoughts and ideas in the comments and we might feature it in our future video. Bye!